I grew up in a quiet village where dreams felt like grains of sand slipping through your fingers, but I refused to stop dancing. This is my story, how I danced through the dust to chase the light, the dream in my feet. I was 12 when I first realized dancing wasn't just something I did, it was who I was. While other kids played in the fields, I spun and leapt, copying the moves I saw on the old TV in the village cafe. My dad was a farmer, and my mom stitched clothes to help us get by. We didn't have much, but love filled the cracks in our lives. One afternoon, I told my mom, one day I'll dance on a real stage, with lights and people clapping just for me. She smiled and said, "Then dance now, sweetheart. That stage will come." The day of the school talent show, I was bursting with excitement. But just as I began dancing, the music cut off. Some kids laughed. One boy shouted, "You, a dancer? Go milk a cow instead." I ran home with tears stinging my eyes. That night, I nearly gave up on dancing forever. Then came Mr. Carter, a dance teacher from the city, visiting our village. I was practicing quietly when he saw me. He said, "Where did you learn to move like that?" I shrugged nervously, from watching and dreaming. He gave me an old pair of dance shoes and said, "Come to the city. I'll train you, if you dare." Dreams come at a price. Packing my bag, I told my dad. He shook his head. "We don't dance, we work hard. Girls don't leave home to chase silly dreams." But my mom said, "Let her go. She has wings. Don't clip them." With a racing heart, I left my village behind, just 13 years old. The city was loud and cold compared to my village. Dance school was harder than I imagined. My feet bled, my accent was mocked. I missed home terribly. One night I cried, "Maybe I don't belong here. Maybe they were right." I failed a big audition. I froze on stage. People whispered and laughed. I called my mom, my voice shaky. "Mom, I failed." She was calm and strong. "Then fail again, but never stop dancing." Her words saved me. I put my shoes back on and kept moving. I trained harder than ever, woke up before dawn, worked as a cleaner to pay my fees. Step by step, I improved. At a national competition, I stood in the spotlight again. This time, I didn't freeze. I danced like I was born for this, for the girl inside me, for my village, for every dreamer who ever felt small. The crowd was silent, then tears and applause filled the room. Now I'm back in my village. Girls run after me, eager to learn. I've opened a small dance school, not just to teach moves, but to teach courage. My dream wasn't just about dancing, it was about being free. If you have a dream, don't wait for applause. Dance anyway. The world will catch up